Pedro Americo de Figueiredo e Melo was born 29 April 1843, died 7 October 1905. He was a Brazilian novelist, poet, scientist, art theorist, essayist, philosopher, politician and professor. But is best remembered as one of the most important academic painters in Brazil, leaving works of national impact. From an early age he showed an inclination towards the arts, being considered a child prodigy. At a very young age, he participated as a draftsman on an expedition of naturalists through the Brazilian Northeast, and received government support to study at the Imperial Academy of Fine Arts. He did his artistic improvement in Paris, studying with famous painters, but he also dedicated himself to science and philosophy. He spent his career between Brazil and Europe, and in both places his talent was recognized. Receiving great favors from critics and the public, but also raising passionate controversies and creating tenacious opponents. For the new avant-gardes of his time, Pedro Americo was a painter of undeniably rare gifts. But above all he became one of the main symbols of everything that the academic system allegedly had as conservative, elitist and distant from the Brazilian reality. His great artistic merits make him one of the greatest painters the country has ever produced, and his fame and influence in life, the burning debates he aroused in his institutional, cultural and political performance. In a critical moment of articulation of a new system of symbols for a country just emerging from the condition of colony and of consolidation of a new system of art on modern methodological and conceptual basis, highlight him as one of the most important names in the history of Brazilian culture at the end of the 19th century. He won several honors and decorations, including the title of Historical Painter of the Imperial Chamber, the Order of the Rose and the Order of the Holy Sepulchre. He also left some poetry and 4 novels, but like his theoretical texts, they are little remembered today.